In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Wix Studio. Creating a landing page is a fantastic way to engage your audience and provide them with a focused message or offer. This process is straightforward and designed for flexibility, allowing you to make a page that perfectly suits your needs. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Wix is a popular website building platform known for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of customization options. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this using a variety of methods such as your Gmail, Facebook, email, or even an Apple account. Choose whichever method you prefer, and once you've logged in, it's time to access your Wix Studio site. With your site page open, navigate to the site editor. This is where all the creative magic happens. Your editor is the central hub for designing and editing your site's content. When you're here, you'll want to look for the Pages and Menu section. This is typically located in the sidebar menu on the left side of the editor. Clicking on this will allow you to manage your site pages. To add a new page, simply click Add Page. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template. Wix offers a variety of pre-designed landing page templates, which can save you time and effort. However, if you're feeling more creative or have a specific vision in mind, you can choose to start with a blank page. Whether you're using a template or starting from scratch, this choice sets the foundation for your landing page. After selecting your template or blank page, it's important to give your landing page a descriptive name. This helps to keep your projects organized and makes it easier for you to differentiate between different pages later on. A name like Coming Soon or Landing Page could work well, but feel free to choose something that resonates with your specific needs. Now it's time to customize the page to match your brand and objectives. Use the Wix editor to make detailed adjustments to the layout, text, images, and any other elements you'd like to include. The goal here is to make your landing page visually appealing and effective in communicating your message. Take your time with this step to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your landing page, the final step is to publish it. When you publish your page, it goes live on the internet and you can share the link with your target audience. This is an essential step to start driving traffic to your landing page and engage with your visitors effectively. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a professional looking landing page on Wix Studio. By customizing a page that aligns with your goals, you're well on your way to delivering an impactful online presence.